If you're experiencing an upload error on kvCORE 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause upload errors. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Use a different browser. Try accessing kvCORE using a different web browser. Sometimes, certain browsers may have compatibility issues that can lead to upload errors. Step 4. Verify file format and size. Make sure that the file you're trying to upload is in the correct format and does not exceed the size limit set by kvCORE. Check the platform's guidelines for acceptable file types and sizes. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to kvCORE support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the upload error on kvCORE 2026 efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.